Hey, Christmas light installers. So today I want to show you, we do a lot of HOAs in the islands here, and you can see behind me here all these islands in this HOA. We do a lot of these HOAs, and with that we need to be able to test these lights and how we power everything. So today I want to show you how we power our lights for HOAs, and I wanted to show you where they hide the sensors at a lot of times. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 500 by Christmas. If I could get to 1,000, that would be a bonus. I'd appreciate that very much. So please go subscribe to my channel. In these islands here, they have the 120 volt. If they have the LED volt, the LED 12 volt system, this will not work. But what we did is you take this has a little outer ring right here, and you just clip, you pull that outer ring out, you pull this out, you unscrew this bulb right here, and you can see down in there we took a socket. Trying to see if I got one. So it's one of these, and what we did is we plugged our cord into it down in there. Now I could screw the bulb back in there, but I don't. I just set everything back down in there, so that way all my stuff is ran. And so when we do it, we run to our trees, and we actually just run one cord all the way down through each island instead of doing 3 or 4 of those. So that's why we just do one bulb, and that'll power all of this. Now the fun part of this is finding where the sensor is for these lights. So a lot of times you want to look behind like a big clump of bushes, and there's not much here. And where this one is it's like right there in this clump here, and we're going to walk over there and I'll show you. And while I'm doing this, I'm trying not to get ran over, because that would be a bad thing. That would be a bad thing. So just be careful on these roads. People don't pay attention. They fly, and they're on the phone and all that kind of stuff. So when you're working on these HOAs, be careful. That's why I try to wear my red sweatshirt or that. So if we're looking on here, you can kind of see some electric box over. I don't even know how I'm gonna get in there. How did I get in there before? You see here, I have, looks like a person standing there. I have the electric box open. I wanted to make sure that it was on. And you can check here, it says 20 lights, and over here it's the gazebo and island 4 and 5. So what we have here is we have this right here. It is a sensor to light, and whenever this sensor right here gets light, all the lights will go off. So what we need to do is what I had done is took my sleeve of my coat and I just slid up over it. I've taken a glove. I've done all kinds of things, but I didn't have a glove today, so I just took a sleeve and hid it there. All right, so that's the Photocell timer for a HOA or anything like that. If you would like to see the manual timer and how it works, please check out this video. Thank you and have a great day. Please subscribe.